evening, our viewers. Today is another day, a day that I promised you earlier. So we are having great visitors today. So I want you to just subscribe. You enjoy watching. So before we commence, I want to thank you so much, so dear, for your support. So keep sharing the link, keep watching. So I will start from my left hand side. We have Mr. Pravin. So can you greet our viewers and you tell them who you are?
Hi guys, my name is Pravin. I'm Koe. I'm a candidate from Dagoretti Mixed Secondary School.
Wow, thank you so much. We really welcome you to our studio. You come from which place?
I come from Viga.
Okay. Thank you so much. We are so grateful to have a guest from Viga. So next we have Barin. So you can greet our viewers. You tell them fully who you are.
Hi everyone. Hi, I hope you're good wherever you are. My name is Muteo Balin Lukalishi. I'm still a student and this year I'll be doing my 12th grade. And today I'll be giving you some tips on mathematics as it being the best subject. Make sure you like, share and subscribe. Just hit that button.
Wow, thank you so much. We are grateful to have you today.
Thank you.
Yeah, where do you come from?
I come from Kisumu.
Wow, congratulations. As a YouTube channel, we are so grateful to have someone from Kisumu. This is the first round we are having people from very far from where we are. So as you can be able to see, we are making positive steps, and we are doing all of this to make sure that you improve in terms of maths. So I want to go direct to my far right hand side. We have Mr. Lucas. So can you greet our viewers?
Hi guys,
And now you tell them who you are.
I'm Lucas Makio Andera. I come from Busia County. I am a student in Nambale Boys High School, and I'm great to reach Mwalimu Nyambane here in our studio.
Thank you so much. Welcome.
Thank you.
We are so happy.
Yes.
Mimi mwenyewe nimefurahia sana mpaka nashinda niwaambie nini. I hope my viewers are happy to see you people here. Yeah, next we have Prudence. So how do you feel now that you have reached in our studio today?
I feel better than this.
Yeah, good. Welcome. Can you now greet our viewers?
Hi guys, my name is Prudence. Before I come from Kirinyaga County, Giriambu Girls High School.
Wow. How is people from there?
They are good, they are better.
Wow. Now I want you to know that we are having a math talk, a continuation of what we discussed last time. Remember, we didn't touch on every area. That's why I've brought more visitors, more guests for you, so that you can be able to gain the experience and the tips that you require for you to be able to make it in maths. So you are aware that today you are going to speak to our viewers. It is not my day, it is your day. First of all, before I give you some few minutes to speak to our viewers, remember they are watching you. They are so grateful to have seen guests in this particular channel. So I want to greet you first of all. And then I tell you to feel at home. Yeah, this is your place now. Yeah, from which people from all over will be able to see you and listen to you. Mr. Pravin.
Yes.
Now this evening, I want to give you the opportunity to talk to our viewers. Tell them on what they should do, so for them to be able to improve in terms of performance. I'm also in paper one. It is your turn.
Hi guys, once more. As I will tell you, my name is Pravin and I'm a candidate. I'm preparing for my KCSE exam. So I want to give you some tips that you will follow, and if you follow it seriously and consider it in you're gonna pass, and you will thank me later. Okay? The first thing, before you start even doing this math, you have to have that passion. If you have passion in something, I'm sure you do it with all your best. Okay? So guys, I want you to have passion in math. Once you have that passion, then come to books. Yeah, come to books now. Then the first thing you have to do is to start with the topics, the easiest topic. For example, you start from Form 1, as you go to the harder topics in Form 3, Form 4. So the first thing you have to do is start with Form 1, the first topic, for example, integers, something. That's what the easy topics that you have to score. For example, in this paper 1, you have to consider Form 1 and Form 2 work is the most, it comes the most percentage. For example, 70% comes from Form 1 and Form 2, which is paper 1. So guys, I want you to consider these topics and consider this topic and do it thoroughly. Do more revision on it. Do a lot of practice. For example, three sums per day. If you do that guys, and always consult. There's no one use monotony of education. You have to consult your teachers. If you find it difficult, consult your friend. If you come to this channel, subscribe. I'm sure you get tips. Ask questions. Mr. Nyambane will answer you. He's here. He's a very beautiful person. He has more skills in mathematics, and it can help you to move from one step to another. Getting out of an E is an easy thing, and you can do it through Mr. Nyambane. It's our goal. Now, work throughout. Math is an easy subject. You can make it an easy. It's all about your attitude. If you put positive attitude in this math, you're gonna do better. So, guys, math, start doing revision and make sure you do a practice. At most, do 3 sums a day. And once you do it, make sure that topics that you have done, those 3 topics, you consider it and do it accordingly. Don't just brush through it. Do a sum, understand it. Second thing, you have to know the formulas. Know the formulas of calculating this sum, and that. For example, you have to know the formula of a circle, getting the formula of a circle, formula of a volume of a circle. You have to consider those, volume of a cylinder. You have to consider those things as in do it accordingly. For example, we come in section A, section B. Those 50 marks, those are free marks, and you have to get all of them. Stop about section A, section 1. Section is about gambling, but section B, you have to get all of those 50 marks, and make one decision on that on section B in order to make sure you got all the 50 marks. So as a question like construction, guys, it's about accuracy, scale. Make sure your scale is valid and your accuracy in your working. Make sure you plot it accordingly to make sure you get even those 4 marks of drawing the scale. So guys, work towards it and you can make math a booster in your life. And it will help you. Every course requires mathematics. So guys, you have to consider this. If you are in your school, work on this, guys. I want us to change the attitude of which is in the minds of people that math is difficult. Math is never difficult. Once you change your attitude from negative to positive, you're gonna make it, guys. And guys, when you are doing this paper, make sure time management. Ensure you ensure that you do less than 3 minutes for a sum. But in section B, use 8 minutes at most. So once you manage your time on doing those stuff, you're gonna make it, guys. Take consider and subscribe to Mr. Nyambane. Is the best of the best channel I've ever seen in YouTube. So guys, subscribe and make sure you put in action what the teacher tells you. If you have any questions, just ask. You'll be answered. No one is discriminated. Guys, put into consideration and follow what you are being told. I'm sure you will get advice from my fellow colleagues here and follow them, guys. It will help you. Math is a booster, a not difficult sum.
Wow, thank you. Remember, we are in a studio whereby we are so much free to talk. Ningependa kukukumbusha kwamba we don't have the volume of SAP.
Okay, yes,
Yeah, that's it. I understand because we are now one family.
Yeah.
Now, next, I want to introduce Madam Barin. I'm calling her Madam because she has already promised me that she's going to make it to university come April. So it is your time. Can you talk to our viewers?
Okay, wherever you are, our viewers, I'm sure that you also love watching Mwalimu Nyambane's channel. And today I want to tell you that mathematics is actually a booster in all the subjects. I'm sure that if you work hard towards mathematics, then you'll see it as a booster subject. What I would like to tell you is this, that mathematics only is just all about playing with digits. It's all about you add, you subtract, you multiply, and then you divide. That's all you can do. And mathematics is not only found in schools, but it's also found wherever you are. if you're walking, the distance, if you're actually calculating money, that's in mathematics. Anything you do is all about mathematics. And there is a simpler way of, just passing mathematics wherever you are. When I say this, what am I saying? If you know you're a candidate, you still have time to pass or even improve your marks in mathematics. You can only get to do one sum, but grasp the content in that sum and be sure if this question comes, then I'm sure about this. I can be able to get this question. Let's say, for example, if it's linear motion, if you can be able to calculate the distance of cars moving in opposite direction, in the same direction, and even the time in the distance, if that question comes and you're sure that I am going to get this question, then I'm sure that is already 10 marks in section B, paper 1. Then you've already eliminated an E in your mathematics. And something else is this. Mathematics is all about having smart goals. I want to tell you this, work smart, don't work hard. What do I mean by working smart? How specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time-conscious goals. If today you're going to just do one sum per day, just one sum and be sure of it. Let's say, for example, today you're going to do a sum on linear motion. So today I'm going to talk about linear motion, just one. And you'll be able to say, like, I'll take maybe 4 minutes to do this sum, or maybe 8 minutes to do this sum because it's in section B. And you are able to, just have time for that question, do it within that 8 minutes, and calculate it properly. Then you'll be sure that you're going to pass in mathematics. Thank you so much.
Wow. Good work. Today you are making my day. I'm so grateful. You can be able to see that we have great visitors today. Can you learn from them? Get 1 or 2 tips so that you can be able to improve in your performance. So I want to directly take you to the far right. So Mr. Lucas,
Yes.
how are you?
I'm very fine.
Do you have something that you want to tell our viewers today?
Yeah, I have very many things that
Okay.
I want to tell them.
Now the floor is open for you.
But before I give you the advice pertaining this mathematics, I would like you to follow Mwalimu Nyambane. Make sure that you subscribe, you hit the notification button so that you can be notified when Mwalimu Nyambane has uploaded new video. Make sure that you always go hand in hand with Mwalimu Nyambane because he only focuses on 3 main areas. He focuses on what is tested, how it's being tested, and what is expected. So, Mwalimu Nyambane will always walk in the mind of the examiner and give you quality and good tips about this mathematics. So, subscribe and do all that is required. First, I will talk about this section B, ambapo watu hupata marks nyingi sana. 50 marks is easy to get. Some topics like those ones that require you to draw graphs, those are the easiest topics to go for, because in drawing just graph, you cannot score less than 7 marks, because they will only, during marking, they will mark the scale. Kama imepita 3.5 of the page, that is a mark. Wanaangalia the curve, kama curve yako iko smooth, unapata. Wanaangalia the plotting, pia unapata your marks. Then kuna some graphs zenye nafaa ujue differentiate. For example, in statistics, we have 2 graphs there. For paper 1, we have 2 graphs there. We have of drawing polygon, and we have of drawing a histogram. So inafaa unajua before uende kwa that exam, ujue ni wapi inafaa calculate the FD, uangalie kama pengine the class kuna difference in classes, unajua kwa hivyo lazima to calculate the FD. Then graphs, make sure that you always plot what you have written in that box, hiyo column yenye umepewa. Si ati unaandika kitu kwa hiyo box yenye umepewa then unaenda kuplot other things, hapo hivyo utapata 0. In fact, ukiwa umepata hiyo curve iko smooth then iko sawa, but wakiangalia nini hiyo box haiko sawa, wanaweza wakasema pengine this one was cheating, then upate why. So make sure that ukifanya anything about graph, tumia values zenye umeweka pale kuplot. Then we have some topics which are very easy na unaweza pata formula yake kwa hiyo the log table. So make sure that your logarithm table umepitia kila kitu yenye iko ndani, hizo mambo na formulas, because saa zingine unaweza ukaenda huko hivyo haujui kucalculate hizi mambo na sphere, but hiyo formula hujashika kwa kichwa, but ukifungua kwa hiyo log table utapata the formulas are there ambapo zitakusaidia you acquire what you want.
Wow. So wonderful. By the way, from Mr. Lucas, I remember something. Students do not remember that a log table has got formulas. There are too many formulas there, which if you use them, you cannot get below a D plus. So just familiarize yourself well with every material that is required during an exam. So make sure that you know what is inside your mathematical figure. Thank you, Mr. Lucas. I'm going to give you another chance to speak to them because now they are so grateful. Najua wamenizoea lakini leo sasa wanaona wageni. I know hata yule mwenye amejaribu kuangalia ni nini nimeweka leo anaenda kufurahia kwa sababu ataona wageni wala sio mimi. Nimefurahia sana na mkiendelea kutufika karibu kututembelea then mtuongeleze namna hiyo, naona tutakuwa tunasonga. Nashukuru sana. Nataka kumkaribisha Madam Prudence. So the floor is open for you. Kindly, can you tell our viewers something small?
Okay, first of all, mathematics is all about you. Do you have confidence in yourself? Most of us fail in exams kwa sababu unaingia form unaambia math ni ngumu, unapata ukifika kwa exam you don't have that confidence in yourself to work out any calculations in that examination. That's why you find tuna fail. The other thing is, I always say you love mathematics and you don't practice it. If you love it, do it and do it daily. Wacha ikuwe kama your daily routine. Let mathematics be like a meal 3 times a day. You can't miss a meal. That when unapenda kula as in breakfast, lunch, supper, even unafaa upande math because math is everywhere. You can't run away from mathematics. It was in primary, it's now in secondary. You're going even to be it in colleges or the universities. So first of all, you should have a positive attitude towards mathematics. Wacha kusikiza easy other voices at least. Your mathematics is very hard. No, mathematics is all about you. Okay, calculate vizuri, you do practice every day, you're going to have a better grade. Like when Samanga, an apple a day keeps the rest away, and a sum a day keeps an E in mathematics away in your final results. There's no one mwenye atapenda kuwa na exam results zake ziko na E in mathematics kwa sababu as in itakuwa shameful sana. You want to be able to present your papers and maybe when you're going to apply for a job or anything. So mathematics is all about you. First of all, you should have a positive attitude, what I've talked about. Usisikize other voices. Number 2, do sums every day. Consult, do everything. There are teachers in schools. You have a teacher here, Mr. Nyambane, subscribe. I also had a problem with the mathematics, but I had to subscribe to Mwalimu Nyambane, and now I'm at least at a good place. And now I'm aiming higher because I'm doing my KCSE in March. So mathematics, you should have that passion. Kwani hiyo passion ya kuifanya, you do it every day. You subscribe the teachers channel. You'll have great, utakuwa na grades poor. You go from an E to an A if you only develop that positive attitude, have passion for it, love it. And also time management is very important. So many people know how to do calculations, but in examinations they don't complete it because of time management. Manage your time. Have this group discussions and doing some speed tests. Maybe a sum for 2 minutes. Ukifanya hivyo like daily, utapata speed yako will increase. When you're going to the exams, you'll do the exam, finish it on time, and also have some adequate time kurudia kazi yako and see the mistakes that you mefanya so that you can correct them. Mathematics. It is everywhere. You can never run away from it. Courses zote zina involve mathematics. So please, let's do this. Kila mtu apende math. Thank you.
Wow. Okay. I hope you have gained the way I'm doing here. As you can be able to see, we are so grateful. We are learning from our visitors. So what about you? So don't miss. Just subscribe and then you follow us by watching. Now, because of time, I want to give them some few minutes again. They greet their people back at home and they tell them something, one or two. So, Mr. Pravin, now I want you to take this opportunity. You greet your people. I know some of them are watching you. So, what can you tell them now?
Okay, first, thank you, Mr. Nyamari, for giving me this chance again. Okay, I would like to greet my parents and for enabling me to give me this chance to study, which is enabling me to boost me, work hard towards my career. As in, guys, I am saying thank you so much, my parents. Second, for my friends, I'm also greeting you, as in, subscribe to this channel, and I'm sure you'll acquire more and boost your mathematics performance. So, guys, work towards it and get rid of the E in mathematics.
Wow. So if you are there watching and you have not yet subscribed, so we are trying to urge you to subscribe and don't forget to share. So next we are having Madam Barin. Can you greet your people? Tell them one or two things. Yeah.
Hi everyone, hi my family, mom and dad, wherever you are. It's a girl here, Berlin. I'm so much excited to be here, and I'm so much happy to be here to talk about mathematics. All thanks to Mr. Nyamane. And if you know you're a student and also my friend, or even if you don't, maybe you don't know me, wherever you are and you're watching this, make sure that you view, you watch, you share, and even subscribe to this channel, and you get the best grades ever. And I would like to tell you, wherever you are, that mathematics is actually a booster. Just love it and have a growth mindset and a positive attitude towards it, and you'll be able to make it in mathematics. Thank you.
Wow. Thank you so much. On our right hand side, now you know them because you have already watched what they have said. So we have Mr. Lucas. Can you greet your people? Tell them one or two things.
Yeah. Hey, my parents and my relative, and also all my friends, especially in Busia County. Nawapenda sana. Kile ambacho mnafaa kufanya, kwanza wale ambao bado mko high school, mtafute YouTube channel Mwalimu Nyambane ili mpende math kama venye mimi naipenda sahi. By the way, it's one of my booster subject. Math ina boost grade kabisa. So long as umepata math and A, kila kitu inajibeba tu. As I'm talking now, my grade may change.
Wow.
Siwezi pata chini ya B+. Yeah.
That's nice. Okay, we have Madam Prudence. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay. Hope you are so happy today.
Yes, I'm happy.
Now your people are watching you. What can you tell them?
First, I greet them. Hi, mom and dad. Thanks for bringing me to school. Now my life has changed. I'm thinking in a more intellectual way rather than the latter hours, in primary school. First, subscribe this channel. It's a really good channel. Inajenga wasi wengi sana. It's a good channel for those people who are struggling with the easy mathematics. Kenya is many students in Kenya do not have mathematics, and I don't know why. If you subscribe to this channel, everything is going to change. Your life is going to change like how mine changed. I told you because I previously told you that I had a problem in mathematics. Now I have changed since I subscribed to Mwalimu Nyambane's channel, because every day he has been updating me with mathematics questions, answers. When I get an issue with mathematics, I just notify him in his YouTube channel. He answers me, and I get the feedback back. Now I am happy because I'm improving in my mathematics. So what about you? What are you waiting for? Just subscribe to that channel. It's going to help you. Everyone who knows me and doesn't know me, please subscribe to this channel. It's going to help you. You're going to see a positive deviation in your mathematics grade. Thank you.
Wow. We are finishing. Na style kufungia mtu. So if you feel like there's something you forgot, so you are free to add. So kama hakuna, ama you have something?
I have something.
Okay.
Yeah.
You are free to talk to our viewers today.
I want to tell my viewers, mathematics is all about speed and accuracy. If you have the speed and you are accurate, you will score everything in mathematics. Then remember, pertaining paper 1, 70% is form 1 and form 2 work. So revise more. In fact, kama unakaribia kufanya this KCSE, you are a form 4 student, make sure that unaenda Q&A question and answer. Acha kuchukua all the topic ukalie. No, you don't have that time. Tafuta tu question answer. Hapo hivyo uta revise vizuri and you will acquire quality grade. Thank you for watching us. Bye bye.
Okay. We were talking about paper 1 actually. Last time we did that and we have repeated it today so that you can be able to get enough tips that you require. Anybody else?
Yeah. Okay, our viewers, wherever you are, we love you so much and we want you to pass your exam. That's why we're giving you tips here. And if you're watching this, don't touch that dial. Continue to subscribe in order for you to get new videos. And always leave a comment if you've not understood or you wish to be told more things of you to understand more. You can always leave a comment, which I believe that Mr. Nyamane will always answer you later. Don't touch that dial and make sure that you subscribe. Thank you.
Wow. Thank you. Na nimesema mko na wakati. Najua mmetoka mbali mmefika hapa. Sitaki mkiwa njiani ndio mnakumbuka, oh, I wish ningepata dakika 2 ningezungumza ka kitu kamoja tu. Sio? Yeah, we are now free. Anything that you can add before we close?
Okay, I would like to add something in an nutshell. I would like to tell you that math is easy to eliminate E. And the first thing look, for example, compare the subject of math and CRA. CRA is start from 40 and math start from 9 or 14. So guys, if for example you get 25, which you are having a D plus in math, but in CRA you still have an E. So for example, this one as in math, between CRA and math, which one is a booster? It's a math.
Yeah.
So guys, work towards it, and guys, as in, I would like to ask you as in paper 1, you have to score more. Even if you fail in paper 2, you still perform. For example, you get 60 in paper 1 and 30 in paper 2. If you divide it, you divide it by 2, you still get a C plane. So guys, work towards it, and I like to tell you as math is a perfect subject and it's a subject that you should have passion in it. Work towards it and go through it, guys. You love it.
Wow. Tunaongeza tu. Sasa.
Okay guys, it's me again, Prudence. I would love to say that mathematics, when you're doing your exams, start with the easy questions first. Tusingane na zile ngumu. And when you're doing those easy questions, you make sure that you do them in a specific time. Nikupatie adequate time here to go through the others that seem so hard. Those who say that mathematics is hard, look at the Form 1 topics and look at the Class 8 and Class 7 topics. They are somehow close. No. It's only that when you are in secondary school, the questions are tangled in a way that they are to trick you and make you to think outside the box. That's what you need to do. It's only adding, subtraction, multiplication, and addition. There is nothing there that's above. There's nothing as you have your hakuna kitu ingine hapo. It's only those 4 things that you only need to apply. So take mathematics as an easy subject, and it's going to do wonders for you. Thank you.
Wow. The reason why I have tried to give them enough time is because we are going to miss them. Are you going to miss the viewers?
Yes.
So you now let them by. Well, we will see you next time. Next weekend we are going to have a math talk for paper 2. So chipange. Thank you. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye bye.